All right, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Deepvue tutorial getting started video. Today I'm going to show you how to access the Anchored VWAP here in Deepvue. And this is useful, say, if you've got a recent gap, and let's go ahead and bring up FSLY, and are looking to see who's in control from a specific day. And this can be a great spot to put on a position as a pullback buy or some other strategy. So to access the Anchored VWAP, what you want to do is go ahead up here to the top of your chart and find the pencil icon. This is where the drawings are located. Give that a click. And then you want to navigate over to the projection tools right here. That's this icon right here, actually. There we go. Forecasting and measurement tools. Give that a click. And then down here under projection, actually, to volume-based and Anchored VWAP. And this allows you, if you click this, to basically click a bar and that selects it for the start of the Anchored VWAP. That's where it anchors it to. But I'd highly recommend, if you use this indicator quite a bit, go ahead and check this star. For any quick access drawing that you'd like, you can go ahead and star it. And that will show in basically a floating nav bar that allows you to quickly select it whenever you'd like. So I have Anchored VWAP currently bookmarked. So let's unbookmark it and add it to favorites again. And that allows it to show up in this navigation bar here. This is draggable around your chart. So even when your drawings are closed, if I want to activate the Anchored VWAP, I would just go ahead and click this, click here, and that allows me to spot some potential pullback opportunities here and here, as well as a level of interest. So that's how you can access the Anchored VWAP. And if you want to edit it, what you'd have to do is double click this. And this allows you to add some standard deviation bands if you would like to. You can change how it's calculated if you would like to. The source, I'd recommend OHLC divided by 4. But you can also change the style from orange to whatever color you personally would like. So very quickly, that's how you load the Anchored VWAP and have it favorited on your chart, so you can put as many Anchored VWAPs as you would like to your heart's desire. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.